Experience the ultimate freedom on this expansive 40-acre estate located in beautiful Redding, California. The 3-car garage and shop features solar panels, a lithium-ion battery, and hard-plumbed 12K propane generator for full off-grid living. This charming home just glows under the vibrant sunrise and sunsets. There is plenty of acreage for horses, a garden, or hiking and exploring. An open floor plan reveals high vaulted ceilings and a stylish kitchen bar. The whole family will enjoy the cozy wood stove in this spacious open floor plan. The kitchen offers plenty of wood cabinetry and breathtaking Mount Lassen views through the many large windows. Enjoy the dining area that invites family gatherings over the beautiful rustic hardwood flooring. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath with separate soaking tub and tiled shower and features double glass French doors to let in plenty of natural light. And a second bedroom also includes French doors that open directly to the expansive covered porch and fresh outdoors. Connect with Larry David at the Real Estate Group today to book your showing of this home.